para sa'yo ngayong buwan ng Marso? Gusto mo bang malaman? Tara, silipin natin. So in this video, we will be discussing the March 2025 forecast for the zodiac sign Libra. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If this video finds you on your page, there might be a message for you. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is M and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So, I will just want to ask a favor from you. If you want to get your daily dose of tarot readings, please like and subscribe to my channel, M's Guide Tarot Reading, to get daily updates. We post daily tarot readings for guidance. And in this tarot reading session, we will be looking at the prediction or the forecast for the month of March for the zodiac sign Libra. So without further ado, let's begin. So ang tema para sa buwan ng Marso para sa zodiac sign na Libra ay creativity. So anong ibig sabihin niyan? Yung creativity, lahat tayo may capacity maging creative. Pero hindi lahat ng oras ay meron tayong creative spark. Kumbaga, minsan it comes once in a while. Hindi naman araw-araw or lagi-lagi na magkakaroon tayo ng parang gusto nating gawin yung bagay dahil nakaisip tayo ng isang idea at ilalabas ito through something innovative. So, ang sinasabi dyan, ang tema ngayong buwan ng March, kung ikaw ay mabigyan ng opportunity na makaisip ng creative pursuit. For example, may naisip kang negosyo na out of the ordinary. Sabihin natin, example lang, hotdog na gawa sa Pansit Canton. Parang ganon, yung something creative, out of the ordinary. Wag mo itong parang don't let that creative idea pass you by because it might bring you wealth and opportunity. Kagaya ng kulay ng card na ito, color purple. The color purple is actually connected with our crown. So yung crown, ano ba yung crown? Sa ulo yan. Ibig sabihin, this month might bring you a lot of creative ideas. So, maaaring makaisip ka ng mga magagandang innovative ideas. And the color purple is also connected to wealth and abundance and royalty. So, remember the theme for this month. Kapag meron kang creative idea, ito ay isulat mo or isagawa mo. Give action to it because you'll never know, baka it might bring you wealth and abundance. So, ang unang card na ating kinuha, ito ay representation ng career reading mo. And the card that came out is the Seven of Swords in the upright. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? For the month of March, mag-ingat kayo pagdating sa yung career. It can also apply to your business or it can also apply to your finances and your money. Ang sinasabi dito, maaring ma-involve ka sa isang scam or you might be getting into a situation na mawawalan ka ng maraming pera. So, with the clarifying cards here, Eight of Swords in the upright, the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse, and the Ten of Swords in the reverse. Yun nga ang sinasabi, this is a warning for you guys na mag-ingat ngayong buwan na ito kasi maaring malaking pera ang mawala sa'yo kasi ikaw ay magtitiwala sa isang tao. There would be a person that will be persuading you to commit into something na maaring scam at ikaw ay maaring mawalan ng pera. Pagdating naman sa trabaho or sa career, you might get involved with a mentor, a boss na maaring sasabihin or papangakuan ka ng kunin mo itong extra trabaho or yung extra job. I will put you here, pero ah, mas madaming workload pa lang ibibigay sa'yo, pero yung bayad, hindi ito mabibigay. So, mag-ingat. Kasi mukhang long-term ang effect na ito para sa'yo pagdating sa pera at pagdating sa career mo. Maaring matali ka dito, mawawalan ka ng parang work-life balance at maaring hindi mo ito, yung outcome nito in the near future para sa'yo ay hindi maganda. So, with the last set of cards here, Ace of Wands in the reverse, the Four of Wands in the upright, and the Page of Swords in the upright. I would say, in writing or in parang kung kayo ay magkakaroon ng uh, kontrata, it would look good on contract. Kumbaga, it's too good to be true. Kumbaga, pero ang sinasabi dito, be warned kasi baka ito ay isang scam. Baka maaring mawalan ka ng malaking pera this March. So, ang next na card na ating kinuha, ito ay representation ng iyong romantic life if you are in a relationship. And the card that came out is the Judgment card in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, this month of March, if you are in a relationship, be warned also na baka magkaroon ng mga miscommunications between you and your person, or maaring umuulit kayo, paulit-ulit yung mga issues na inyong tinatakel at hindi nyo ito mabigyan ng solusyon dahil nagmamatigas yung isa sa inyo. And with the clarifying cards here, it's saying, ah, mukhang nawawalan na ng spark or passion ang relationship nyong dalawa. Kumbaga, maaring masyadong babad sa trabaho yung isa naman ay parang laging antay ng antay or vice versa. Pwedeng pareho kayong babad sa trabaho at hindi na kayo nakakapagbigay ng oras para sa isa't isa. And it's saying here, mukhang emotions will be running high this month of March for you guys because hindi kayo magkakaintindihan at magkakaroon ng mga issues na magsasurface at hindi nyo ito ma-resolve. Dahil nga maaring busy sa trabaho, maaring hindi maintindihan ng isa kung bakit wala ng time or bakit nanlalamig yung isa. So, words will be flying out and you might be hurting each other with accusations na parang mabigat. So, I would say the guidance for you guys is have yung mga date nights, kumbaga. Find time to be with the person that you love if you want this issue to be resolved. Kasi madaling i-resolve ang issue, kailangan lang tutukan. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. For those of you who are single, ang sinasabi naman dito, magkakaroon ka ng realization na love life or having a romantic relationship is not for you. Or kung ikaw ay binubugaw or yung kumbaga nirereto ng mga friends mo or ng family mo sa ibang tao na sinasabihan ka na bakit wala ka pa rin boyfriend, bakit wala ka pa rin girlfriend, ang sinasabi dito, you're not actually happy kasi ang totoo niyan, hindi ka pa rin makaget over doon sa past relationship mo. You're still holding on to the past. And even though may ipakilala sa'yo ng mga tao, Five of Cups in the upright and Three of Wands in the reverse, even though may ipakilala or may ireto sa'yo ng mga tao, those people doesn't matter to you. Parang hindi mo naman sila bibigyan ng pansin. Kasi nga, hindi ka pa over dun sa past relationship mo kasi feeling mo yung ex mo is your soulmate. So, ang sinasabi dito, kung hindi ka pa ready na magkaroon ng relationship, then that's okay, that's fine. But you have to be truthful to the people around you. Kailangan mong sabihin sa kanila na hindi pa ako over dun sa ex ko and hayaan nyo lang ako na mag-heal dun sa trauma na binigay sa akin or hayaan nyo lang ako mag-heal sa ngayon kasi hindi pa ako ready to dive into another relationship. So the last card here that we pulled out, this represents your health reading and the card that came out is the Seven of Pentacles in the upright. So ang ibig sabihin nito, kasi we pulled out the clarifying cards, it says here, maaring meron kang health concerns na maaring namana mo sa iyong pamilya nang hindi mo alam. So maaring may mga nararamdaman ka, hindi mo ito binibigyan ng pansin kasi kung ikaw yung type ng parang hindi wala ubo lang 'to or hindi wala migraine lang 'to, hindi wala sakit lang 'to ng tiyan. So, maaring binabalewala mo, dini-deny mo yung mga nararamdaman mo physically. So, it might be a sign that this March, you need to have yourself check kasi baka hereditary ang iyong sakit or namana mo sa iyong magulang, maaring ito ay nasa genes mo. So, mas mabuting maagapan ng mas maaga kaysa yung huli na ang lahat at malala na yung sakit. So, Seven of Pentacles is a hopeful card. It is a sign for you na things will be better if maaagapan. So, maaring pwedeng change of lifestyle, maaring diet, maaring now is the time to go to the doctor and have yourself checked. So, agap or pagiging maagap is the key to those things na nararamdaman mo if you're feeling sick. To end the tarot reading session, I have pulled here some oracle cards for extra guidance. And the first card that came out is expect powerful change. So this March, maaring you will be transitioning into something na maaring life-changing or it will change you or yung kumbaga yung journey mo in your life. March might be a transition month for you. And the next one is prosperity lies ahead. So, kagaya nga ng tema na sinasabi ko kanina, your creative juices, wag mong stop yan kasi maaaring magdala ito sa'yo ng abundance this month of March.